So today is part 3 of learning how to use the dual air fryer. We are returning back to the complete air fryer cookbook, which is available on Amazon for just a tenner. And we're going back to the air fryer temperature test. And it says in here to do the temperature test to see how this air fryer compares to others, because this was tested mainly using an air fryer basket. And air fry toast is on page 36, so let's find that now. Here we go. Air fry toast, it says here 5-minute cook time. So what you need here is to preheat the air fryer to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. So let's get the Ninja on now. So you're looking for the air fry button, because what I'm doing is I'm just going with the air fryer button throughout as I learn how to use it. And then we're going to go with 7 minutes, because then we can give it a 2-minute head start for your preheat and then a 5-minute cook time of the toast, and then press start. So the Ninja has now done a 2-minute warm up. The only reason why we do it with the toast is because the air fry needs to be at a certain temperature to actually crisp it for you, because otherwise it just will not get hot enough. So give it a good spray with some olive oil and then rub it with your hands. And then you can place it into your Ninja basket. And then back on it goes, and then it will just carry on cooking. So it's done a decent amount of time on one side. On touch, you can feel the texture of it is starting to get crispy, or how you like it with your toast. And what you can do now is, if you want to, it's totally personal choice of course, you can give it another spray on the other side, or just leave it as it is, and then back on for its remaining 2 minutes. And it's finished. So let's check on our toast, shall we? And wow, I can feel the texture on that toast. It looks absolutely fantastic. A bit warm on the hands though. So now have your toast, and then just get your toppings going. We all have different favourites, don't we? I mean, it's the time of year for the jam if you prefer the jam. I absolutely love mine with some cream cheese. But if you listen now, you can hear the texture of that toast. And can you believe you can do toast in the air fryer? And just to prove that our air fryer cookbook is easy to use across normal air fryer baskets and the Joule, this just shows what the toast's like in the Joule compared to doing it in a regular air fryer basket. Whilst the 2 drawers are a bit smaller than what you get with the other one, if you wanted to do, say, 4 slices of toast, what you could do is you could do 2 in each drawer if you wanted to, or just do 2 slices like we've done. Or if it's just you can of course just do 1 slice. I just love cream cheese on my toast, and it's just absolutely amazing. And I mean, look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? Don't forget to check out the complete air fryer cookbook, made from 10 years of air frying experience, with lots and lots of air fry beginner recipes. 140 recipes are included, and they're just so easy to follow, with plenty of step-by-step instructions for all the key recipes, so that you can become a master of your air fryer. I know you'll love it, and it's just £10 on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /recipethis.